you guys. Good morning. I'm having my coffee. I think the last time I filmed was July 4th, but it is now July 7th, 2020. Yeah, I'm gonna go to my dad's today, my mom and dad's. Yeah, you guys, it's Tuesday. I don't really know what's planned for food today, but I figured we could just do a day in the life or something since I never filmed 4th of July. I'm gonna drink my coffee, hang out for a little bit, and then probably go get Chipotle. Just saying, Chipotle is my favorite place to eat, so anyways, when I decide, I'll let you guys know. But yeah, I'm gonna go get ready and head over to my parents. Hi you guys. Sorry I look like a mess, but I'm actually at my parents'. I'm gonna go swimming. I'm gonna show you the pool. It's super nice. So here's the pool. I'm gonna go swim. It got really windy. Sorry guys. Of spiders. My swimsuit is from Shein. So yeah, last summer when I went to Florida, so I was spraying myself with some sunscreen, so I don't want to be burnt. So yeah, okay, I will see you guys later. I just ate Chipotle. Woo! Having salmon and corn for dinner. Right, Dad?
Right.
Look at this sick video I just got. Hi, Duke. Duke. Dewey. Hi. Hi, you guys. How are you? Happy Thursday. I just wanted to hop on and just chit chat a little. I've been kind of off. Some of my stuff got hacked. I'm not going to talk about it too much. So I've kind of been MIA, freaking me out, like to do what I eat in a day. Oh, you guys, I'm so sorry. I haven't been able to really pick up the camera and be like, you know, hey, because I've been so like in a fog, because I'm just like, nobody wants to get hacked. And it wasn't like anything super personal, like it wasn't my credit card or anything. It was just like some of my stuff. So it had a lot of my information on it, and me and Jason have been working on it. But anyways, I'm gonna make some coffee as I yawn. A lot of stuff I want to get done today. Anyways, so I'm gonna make some coffee, hop on my computer, edit some videos that I have. Yeah, get the day on the roll, you guys. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it's already Thursday, July 9th. That is insane. Where is the year going? Oh my gosh. So I've been applying for jobs, and I just want to say, you guys, like, I know some of you are probably like, weren't you working at the ortho? Or if you were keeping up with that, I don't really want to talk about it. It's very personal, but I just wasn't happy. It didn't work out, and I'm moving on. So I'm gonna see what else is out there for me. Might go back to school. I don't know. I'll keep you guys updated. But yeah, I just wanted you guys to know that. To be kind to people, you never know what they're going through. And don't take other people's feelings for granted. Be kind and loving and caring always. So I'm gonna make some coffee, which you guys have seen 110 times. But in case you're new here, every day when I wake up, I have coffee usually. God, my fridge literally looks like a jungle. My dad gets fresh vegetables from a farmer, and my dad likes to give me some. Oh, thank God I got a new one. This creamer is all gone, but this is the creamer. If you know, you know. It's just Italian sweet cream, sugar-free. And then I use Ready Whip. I just use the regular one. You can use the sugar-free one for 0 points. This is about 1 to 2 points. And then my sugar-free caramel. So super good. A few ideas for lunch as I'm holding what I'm thinking. But I'm gonna make some coffee first, gather my thoughts, and yeah. Just thank you guys for following me and being along for my journey. I know I've been kind of MIA, but I'm back, you guys. I'm sorry. Okay, you guys, so Jason and I just ordered sushi. I'm on this sushi kick. I don't know what the deal is. But anyways, so I just got shrimp hibachi and a shrimp tempura roll. So and a salad, and I will show you guys that. I will kind of show you what I planned on pointing it out wise and stuff. And yeah, I've just been working away. I've been also watching Imposters, which if you haven't watched it on Netflix, you're missing out. So, and I ended up hanging up my stuff. Do you guys like that? That's all from Hobby Lobby, except for those are from Amazon. So I'm working on my interior. It's hard to decorate when you never have, really. Anyways, you guys, I will show you my lunch. I'm not going to really talk much. I'm just going to just briefly show you it. So I figured I'd jump on here now because I'm editing and I actually need my card that's in the camera right now while I edit. So, but yeah, you guys, I'm really excited. It was $30, but we got, Jason got sweet and sour chicken. I got shrimp hibachi, and then we got 2 rolls for 10 bucks. So, and then I got Jason a cheese wonton appetizer. So yeah, you guys, my shadow there creeped me out. Oh my gosh. Okay, you guys, I will see you when I see you. Bye. So the thing that I like about this place, you guys, is that it's not really saucy, as you can tell, and it's just really good. And then it comes with this pink sauce, but I just eat a little bit of it. And then the rice tastes like brown rice, and then there's just onion, eggs, carrots. So I'll just eat this till I'm full, and yeah, just a ton of veggies and super good, you guys. Hi, you guys, we're gonna grill some burgers, me and Jay, and then we got some potatoes. I'm gonna cut these in half and we're gonna grill them, and then we're just gonna have some green beans. So I'll show you guys what my plate looks like and everything, but tomorrow's dinner is gonna be bomb. I'll probably end up recording that. Just get a chop in. Hey guys, these are the little potatoes that we're using, and I'm gonna cut up some onion, and then I just cut them into 4s. So the mosquitoes are so bad here in Minnesota, so I didn't really film, but here's our onions. Mushrooms are a burger, so the cheese is 2, the beef, I can't remember what it is, I'll throw it up on the screen at the end here what it all is. So these are just mushrooms sauteed in, I can't believe it's not butter, and a little bit of onion powder and a little bit of onions, and have potatoes on the grill. So I'll show you guys what it looks like when we plate up. And here's our potatoes. Yum, you guys. How are you? Happy Friday. I just wanted to show you what I was gonna eat. I haven't eaten anything yet today except for my coffee. This is actually going around TikTok, and I actually shared it in another video, but it's mustard, carrots, and broccoli, and then I'm gonna dip my vegetables in the mustard. And then here I just have a Johnsonville turkey cheddar dog for 3 points, and then the rest is 0. So my lunch is gonna be 3 points. So yeah, all you do, you guys, put as much mustard as you want. I'm putting a lot because I like to douse it. Carrot and the mustard. So good. I literally love it so much, you guys. Here's some broccoli and mustard. Some ketchup on my Zwiener. My wiener dog, and then I'm gonna finish the other half of my Mountain Dew Zero. I just got ready, filmed a TikTok. It was just doing my makeup, so if you want to check that out, my TikTok's right here, and down below you can hit it up down below. But yeah, you guys, so good. Video of me eating this on my TikTok, and it like kind of blew up. Not really, like 80,000 views or something, and I actually had to turn the comments off because people are so rude. I'm like, I'm sticking to YouTube and Instagram. Like, TikTok is vicious. Like, I don't know what it is, but people just want to be so mean on there. And I'm like, I get it. Nobody wants to hear people chew or whatever. Or they get sick of seeing the same crap. But it's like, so good. I'll show you guys my dinner. It's going to be a good one. Jason is cooking it. Stay tuned for that. Obviously, it'll be at the end of the video here. This is meal number 1. So, and I don't purposely intermittent fast. It's 4 o'clock. Necessarily, like, try to fast. Just been happening lately, so cheers. Happy weekend, babes. Let's hit our goals without wrecking the weekend. You know what I'm saying? It's the weekend. We're gonna eat healthy, and we're not gonna let Friday, Saturday ruin our progress. Okay, anyways, I'm sorry I'm so hyper. I just feel like a new woman because I did my makeup for once. Okay, Okay, bye guys. We are having, oh my gosh, you guys, this looks and smells delicious. So Jason's making us dinner. So we're having pork chops. Pork chops are under there grilled. He just got done grilling them. And then he grilled up mushrooms and onions. And then he mixed them with a can of cream of mushroom soup. So yummy, I'm super excited. We're also having potatoes. This meal was so good, you guys. But that is actually all for today, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.